Hey everyone, it's Lillian again. We have made it to the end of 2020 finally, and I figured I would do one more video, hair related video, just in regards to my favorite shampoos and conditioners, or deep conditioners rather. So I'm going to start off with the shampoo, starting off with what I do prefer to use with my braids slash my natural hair when it's out of braids. So the first thing would be this Cantu Shea Butter Refresh Apple Cider Vinegar Root Rinse with tea tree oil. It's a bit of a mouthful, but this is that. I believe I mentioned it earlier in the year with, or on the video about how I wash my box braids. I can link that video in a card above or below. But yeah, I really do like this. This is like all the way down here, and I made the mistake of not getting another bottle when I went out to buy this hair, as now we're in lockdown again. So the beauty supply store is obviously a non-essential business based on the government's standards. So I'm not able to buy this just yet, but I do have other things to replace it. So the next thing that I like to use is, and this is for both braids and natural hair. This one I just use when I have braids in. So this is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo. Again, another mouthful. So this is another product that I did mention in the How I Wash My Box Braids video. And this is about more than halfway done. It's down to here. And I do like this. I'm not the biggest fan of the scent, but it does get the job done. This also has apple cider vinegar like the other product I mentioned, and this has shea butter and peppermint. I do like that it cleanses my scalp really well. It doesn't strip my hair too much like other clarifying shampoos, but I do have another shampoo that I want to show you that it doesn't strip my hair like at all, which is better than this one, but I do thoroughly enjoy this because it gets the job done, and I use it primarily, I prefer it for my scalp. The next shampoo that I want to talk about is a Camille Rose product. This is the Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse. Yeah, they call it a cleansing rinse, not a shampoo, but it's a shampoo. It just looks like this. Sorry for the glare. I got this a couple months ago. I've used it twice, and a little goes a long way. It's only down to here. The only thing I don't like about this is this cap. Like, it takes so long for product to get out, because I guess it's not like the runniest formula, but honestly, just take the cap off and it will come out easily. This says that it has castor and aniseed oil. Never heard of that before. It says it's an enlivening hair cleanser with natural notes of sweet ginger and lemon peel. And it does smell really fresh. I got this because of the ginger, because I know that's another good cleansing agent, and it gets the job done. It is a bit pricey, but like I said, a little goes a long way, and I've been enjoying the shampoo the few times I've used it. I haven't used it on my braids just yet, just because I don't need to. I'll stick to what I have been using, and then maybe, if anything, if I finish that, I can jump in and just use this on my braids until I get this, because this is the #1 thing I prefer, because it's just easiest to deal with. Now, the next products that I'm going to go into are the conditioners. Now, I don't use conditioners when I'm wearing braids in. I don't really see a purpose, but I do like moisturize like my scalp and everything, and any new growth that I have with other products. And like I said, I have made mention to how I do that in the How I Wash My Box Braids video, so you could take a look at that there. So my favorite conditioners that I've used, I'll start with a Canadian brand. This is Earthtones Naturals, and I think I did a review on their products earlier in the year. If I could find it again, I'll put that in a card below. This is their Curl Condition Hydrating Conditioner, It just looks like this. Again, apologies for the glare. This is their 500-gram product. This product smells so, so good. It's like candy. I don't know. Apologies for the hair there, but it's just about done. It's almost at the bottom. I do have a backup, and this is great. Their recommendation is basically to put it in your hair after washing it, leave it in for 2 to 3 minutes and rinse completely. Obviously, like if you're somebody who deep conditions their hair, I never leave anything in for 2 to 3 minutes. It's more like 15 to 30 minutes, usually with heat. And I did realize I forgot to bring in another shampoo, so I'll just say it, but it's the shampoo from this line. I don't remember the official title, but they only have one shampoo. So if you go to their website, it's there, and they do ship to the US, I believe. So yeah, that shampoo is a moisturizing shampoo, and I really, really do like that as well. The next conditioner is from Uncle Funky's daughter. Yeah, Uncle Funky's daughter, and it's the Heal and Renew Intensive Hair Mask. It's for natural, chemically treated, and heat styled hair. So it just looks like this. I got this a few months ago as well, and I really, really enjoyed it. This has some type of like mint or menthol ingredients in it, and honestly my scalp felt so nice. Like my scalp has not felt that nice in years, I feel like, out of all the products that I've used, and I was thoroughly impressed. Unfortunately, I can't use this all the time, only because I believe it is a protein, and like you should limit the amount of like protein you put on your natural hair. But this is a good like maybe like once a month or every 6 week type of product, and my hair felt so, so nice. Like I was so impressed because again, it was my first time using it, and I'll definitely repurchase this when it's done. The next conditioner is by Camille Rose. This is their Algae Renew Deep Conditioning Mask with cocoa and mango butter. It says it's a vitamin-packed moisturizing and strengthening treatment infused with blue-green algae. So this product I've used a few times, and I absolutely love it. It looks like this. You probably can't really tell in the screen, but it has like a green tint, and you could kind of see the blue algae in it. And it smells so, so, so nice. This is a bit on the pricier side, so I wouldn't purchase it too often, but my hair did feel really nice after I used it. And again, this is something you put on after you wash your hair. I put on a disposable shower cap, and I put a heat source on top of my head and let my hair be penetrated by this, and when it's rinsed out, it looks and feels great. The last product, this can go in, I guess it depends on how you feel about it. This can go in either the shampoo side or the conditioning side, because some people use it for both. I used it more for the shampoo side. So this is the Aztec Secrets Indian Healing Clay. It says it's for the world's most powerful facial, but people use this for their hair as well. So I'm not going to open it because it's literally powder, and basically I found some recipe online, or I may have followed what's on the back of this, I don't remember, and I put however many scoops or tablespoons, whatever, and then I mixed it with apple cider vinegar and some olive oil or some type of oil, and yeah, I left it on my hair probably about half an hour or so, and I took a picture, so if I could find it, I'll insert it here so you could see what that looked like. It's a messy process, but let me tell you, when I rinsed it out of my hair, oh my gosh, my hair has never felt so soft, because this is supposed to be a purifying, detoxifying type of agent. Like if you want your curls to be reset and revived, something that like just a normal shampoo can't do, like this is supposed to do that. And my hair felt incredibly soft. I really liked it. I'll probably do it again whenever I take my braids out in a month or two, just so my curls come back nice and healthy and strong and moisturized and all that stuff. But yeah, this was so good. I have read and watched on YouTube that maybe don't do it like all the time, and not necessarily because of your hair, not because it'll do any damage to your hair, but more so to your pipes, because apparently it can clog your pipes. Or if you do want to do this often, people said to use whatever those pipe cleaning things that will like deep clean and break down any type of residue in your pipes. Like use that right after this if you're going to be using it frequently. But yeah, like that, my hair is just amazing. So yeah, that's all the shampoos and conditioners that I used this year that I tried out and that I really enjoyed. If you've tried anything out that I did not mention or that I mentioned, and if you liked it, please do let me know. I'd be very interested in seeing if you liked the products or not. It doesn't matter to me. And that's about it. I hope that you guys had a good 2020 or made the best of it considering everything that was happening in the world, and I hope and pray that 2021 is a good year for us all, or that we just take the initiative to make it the best that we can make it. And other than that, I hope you all have an awesome day and Happy New Year. Bye. Oh, and please comment and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.